Today we'll be replacing the left speaker on the Powerbeats 3 wireless. All the tools and parts can be found in the description below. To get started, you can just bend out the air hook a little bit so it'll be easier to work on. Next we'll get our heat gun, set it to roughly 200 degrees. And we're going to go right where the speaker meets the housing. And we always want to keep it moving. If you keep it in one spot for too long, you could melt the plastic. Alright. We just take the speaker, pull it up, and if you heat it up enough, it should come off quite easily. Next, we'll have to unsolder the wires from the solder point, so we'll take our soldering iron. Now we have excess adhesive along the edges here, so we're going to remove that. To do that, we will take our heat gun, heat up the adhesive, and then we will just remove it with a flathead screwdriver. Again, be careful not to melt the housing. Now that we got the adhesive cleared up, the next thing we can do is put the replacement speaker on. So I'm going to use a helping hand to hold the speaker. Now we'll take our soldering iron and solder on the two wires. So the white wire will go on the left. And the yellow wire would go on the right. Alright, now before we proceed, you can make sure it fits nicely. And now you would want to test the speaker to make sure it works. After you have done that, we just gotta glue the speaker on. To this, we'll just take our adhesive. And if you have any excess adhesive coming out, you can just clean that up with some rubbing alcohol. The last step would be to take a rubber band and just hold down the speaker. So while it cures, you'll get a good bond. Alright, so now we can just let that sit for a little bit until it cures. And that's how you replace the left speaker on a Powerbeats 3 wireless.